With growing rigorous work schedules, tension and stiffness tends to build up in the body and escalate into affecting our overall health condition. A quick, full body stretch can increase flexibility and help you function with great ease as it increases endorphins and help to reduce pain and enhance your mood. Here are 5 yoga poses for a full body stretch that activates your nervous system and increases your blood flow. Padangusthasana or hand to big toe pose. Padangusthasana is one of the fundamental asanas of Ashtanga Yoga. It is a simple standing pose that involves forward bending. It targets every muscle in the body by providing a deep stretch from head to toe. It releases tension from the body and is also therapeutic for flat feet. Hold the final position for 1 minute. Then release your toes, bring your hands to your hips and re-lengthen your front torso. Bhujangasana or Cobra pose. Bhujangasana is a back-bending pose which is also a part of the Surya Namaskara sequence. This pose is useful at relieving discomfort in the back, neck and abdomen. Hold the pose anywhere from 15 to 30 seconds, breathing easily. To release, exhale and come back to the floor and transition to Adho Mukha Svanasana or downward dog. Uttita Parshavakonasana or extended side angle pose. Uttita Parshavakonasana helps to stabilize your legs while you open and expand the sides of your rib cage. This assists in good breathing and tones the muscles that run along the sides of your body. Keep your legs wide apart and check that your ankles are below the wrists of your extended arms. Then begin bending one leg toward a 90-degree angle. Stay for 30 seconds to 1 minute. To release, inhale as you straighten up and transition to Tadasana. Warrior pose or Virabhadrasana. Virabhadrasana is a standing foundational pose that stretches the front side of the body and is great for building strength in legs, core and back. To deepen the stretch, keep your palms together and gently arch your back, gazing up towards the ceiling. To release, extend your arms out to the sides and you will be in Uttita Hasta Padasana. Triangle pose or Trikonasana. Triangle pose is a great back and core strengthener. The twisting action also acts as a massage to our internal organs, helping them to remain in top function and maintain their ability to rid toxins. Engage your quadriceps and feel the strength in your legs. Hold the pose for 5 to 8 breaths and then switch sides. These were 5 quick and effective yoga poses for stretching that increase your flexibility and improve posture. It also releases endorphins that can enhance your mood. Remember to start your practice with subtle warm-up and rotation of the joints.